Today we're going to show you HANCHU's star product combo, the CESS-HY-50K inverter with a home HVES of 9.4K. We'll cover all the practical, hands-on details, like applicable scenarios, unpacking and operation, installation and deployment, power-on commissioning, and smart configuration. Alright, let's get started. This commercial and industrial C&I energy storage system is suitable for use by individual merchants, small factory owners, base station operation and maintenance teams, and property management personnel. They all require energy storage solutions featuring industrial-grade stability, high power, and energy-saving cost reduction, with their core demands being to ensure uninterrupted business and production operations and lower electricity costs. This system boasts an ultra-wide range of application scenarios, providing emergency backup power and peak valley arbitrage for small shops to avoid outages and lower expenses, supplying backup power for small factory production equipment to prevent downtime losses, offering stable, long-lasting power for outdoor base stations and monitoring points without frequent battery replacement, delivering emergency power support for office IT equipment and air conditioners to maintain continuous operations. IT is well suited for the diverse power needs of commercial and industrial sectors across various scenarios. This system's built with an industrial-grade design, featuring a 50K inverter and 9.4kWh nominal battery capacity. It's got EEC or C, South African SABS and industrial-grade EMC certifications, with an inverter conversion efficiency of over 97% and a battery cycle life of up to 8,000 cycles. It fully meets South Africa's commercial and industrial electricity standards. Now let's talk about its 4 key strengths. First, industrial-grade stability. It handles high temperature, high humidity and dusty environments easily, and runs 24/7 non-stop with no issues. Second, high power output. It can power 5 commercial devices at the same time, and supports peak valley electricity price arbitrage to save costs. Third, remote O&M. It's equipped with AI smart monitoring and fault alerts, so you don't need frequent on-site checks. Fourth, flexible expansion. It supports multi-unit parallel connection, so you can just add more units as your business grows. For C&I users, its tangible value is clear. Power outages won't halt business and production, avoiding losses. Peak valley arbitrage slashes annual electricity bills by thousands to tens of thousands of rands, boosting profits. Industrial-grade build cuts repair costs. Remote O&M saves labor. And there is a more comprehensive warranty. Control long-term costs for zero worries. It has served 10,000+ small merchants and factories in South Africa, praised by local convenience stores for stable, durable performance and significant electricity savings. With 100,000+ global installations and passing the industrial 10,000-hour continuous operation test, it has service outlets in major South African cities with fast after-sales response. Before you start unpacking, please get all the required tools ready. Prepare a utility knife for cutting the seals, anti-slip and cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands from scratches or punctures, a hydraulic wrench for removing high-strength fixing screws, a tape measure for taking dimensions, an industrial cloth for wiping off dust, a crowbar to assist with disassembly, and a forklift for handling heavy parts. Don't skip a single one. Your clothing must meet industrial safety standards. A safety helmet, safety goggles, anti-smash safety shoes, and a reflective vest are all essential to avoid injuries during unpacking or handling. Before installation and commissioning, let's start with the safety rules first. Now let's get into the installation steps. 1. Use a level to calibrate the ground and ensure the base is flat and even. 2. Fix the heavy-duty base and tighten the bolts with a hydraulic wrench. 3. Use a forklift to place the product steadily on the base, aligning it with the mounting holes. 4. Secure the product with high-strength bolts and ensure no movement or shaking. 5. Install the grounding device and test the grounding resistance to be 4. Finally, perform a full inspection to confirm the product is stable and grounding is in good condition. After installation, organize all installation records and photos and upload them for filing in a timely manner. The entire process takes about 30 minutes and can be completed with a team of 3 people without taking too much time. Now let's move on to the wiring and commissioning steps. First and foremost, wiring work must be done by a team of 3 people. Connect the battery to the inverter first, align the connectors properly and tighten the bolts firmly. Then connect to the industrial main power supply, and make sure to turn off the main power and attach a warning tag before doing so. Use industrial-grade cables of 6 square millimeters or larger, and wrap all connection points with industrial insulating tape to prevent short circuits and current leakage. Under no circumstances touch live parts with wet hands. As you can see, all wiring connections must be secure with no looseness. Otherwise, overheating or electric shock may occur. Next, let's set up the AI intelligent functions. First, download the HANCHU Industrial app, then scan the QR code on the product screen to complete binding. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and 4 grams connections are all supported. Besides the app, you can also log into the HANCHU Smart Management web portal for more comprehensive functions. This AI system has 5 key advantages specially designed for commercial and industrial users. 1. Time of use electricity cost optimization, automatically charges during off-peak hours and discharges at peak hours to maximize electricity savings. 2. Load monitoring, prevents overpower operation and protects equipment from damage. 3. Remote control, remotely turn the system on or off and adjust operating modes via phone or computer, even when you're out. 4. Fault early warning, sends instant alerts when abnormalities occur and automatically generates maintenance work orders for fast after-sales response. 5. Multi-unit coordination, supports unified monitoring and control after system expansion, making operation easier and more efficient. Whether you're on site or away, you can keep full control of the system status at all times. This system supports convenient remote control through both the HANCHU app and EASE platform, empowering users to effortlessly realize one-stop smart management functions including online parameter configuration, real-time operation status monitoring, and integrated energy system management anytime and anywhere. That wraps up the full process demonstration of the HANCHU Hybrid 50,000 Inverter and High Voltage Battery 9.4K Energy Storage System. With industrial-grade stability, high-power compatibility, and intelligent operation and maintenance, it perfectly solves power supply security and cost reduction needs for small commercial and industrial users. The system is fully compliant with installation standards, easy to operate, and ideally suited for local use in South Africa. HANCHU ESS-HY energy storage empowers small and medium enterprises in South Africa to reduce costs and improve efficiency. We safeguard every moment of your operation and production with industrial-grade quality. Choose HANCHU ESS. No power outages, no work stoppages. Unlock the new value of intelligent energy storage. Thank you for your learning and watching.